Hikvision smart managed switches make it easier to deploy the security system. It comes with system power-up. It easily connects to your phone with the same network. It can be operated remotely by Hik Partner Pro app. It comes with automatic device search. Enable batch activation of devices for easy use. View topology on mobile. Quick view and review the use of bandwidth. Convenient menu operation. Remote live view from anywhere. View ports remotely. Operate and maintain ports remotely. Best for villas, factories, warehouses, and retail stores.